Hey guys, how's it going today? So what am I working on now? Well, I got this Suburban. I don't even know what year it is. I have the slightest idea. I didn't look yet. Looks to be like an '02, '03, '04 maybe. Uh, anyway, customer brought it in complaining of a horrible noise while driving. So I started it up and the motor ticked a little bit, but I mean nothing crazy. Now before I get all the haters out there to say, oh, Chevy junk, oh, GMC junk. 318,000 miles on it. Back in the day, you'd be lucky to get 100,000 miles out of a car. So 317,000, and to have a failure of some sort in the vehicle, I don't know. Could be a hub bearing, could be a transmission, could be the rear end. I have no idea. I have the slightest idea. I just said it's making a horrible noise. So let's go for a road test down my little dead end road here and see what kind of noise we can hear. All right, so just bringing it over to the dead end road, it's making a noise, all right. It sounds like a transfer case, to be honest with you. Could be a front diff, but it sounds like a transfer case. It sounds like the chain is hitting, like the case or something. I don't know, but let's go down the street here and see if you can hear it. All I'm doing is rolling. I'm not hitting the throttle at all. Now I am. Dare I say, it's in two-wheel drive. I'm not sure if I want to even try sticking it in four-wheel drive until I get back on our property. Once you get to about 35, road noise kind of takes over. It's light, but it's there. I mean, it's really there. Wonder what it sounds like outside. Do you hear it or do you hear wind noise? I don't know. Alright. Let's get back to the shop, and then once I get on the property, I'm going to stick it in four-wheel drive. I want to see if it changes anything. Like I said, I don't want to do it being away from the shop, because if I can avoid a breakdown, that's the best thing. I mean, if it happens when I'm on a road test, so be it. But if I can avoid it, I'd rather avoid it. Alright, so I'm at the top of the property now. Let me select four-wheel. Okay, it says it's in. Let's see what happens. Didn't change anything. Noise is still exactly the same. Alright, well, we're going to put this thing up in the air. I'm going to put it in two-wheel. We're going to put it in the shop. We're going to put it up in the air, and let's see what's going on. All right, guys, so we got it up in the air. Now let's take a look here. Now I'm pretty confident it's going to be the transfer case. I mean, it's got seepage all over it. No big deal. However, if I grab the rear drive shaft, you hear the clunking inside there? That's one thing. But now if I go to the front here, now the front's, it's not in four-wheel, but if you listen, I'm going to rotate it. You hear that noise? Something's scraping inside. So, yeah, I really think the chain is stretched. Like I might have gotten low on fluid at some point. It could be low now. But checking the fluid now, it's not going to do anything. It's going to need a transfer case. So, yeah, I mean, considering the mileage and everything else, it's not bad. Because it looks original. It doesn't look like it was ever touched. Transmission has been done at some point in its life. But yeah, so that's going to be it. So we've got to see what we're going to do here in regards to a transfer case. I'm going to get numbers off it and stuff like that, and see if we can't find one, locate a used one or whatever. But yeah, all right. So at least we know what the noise is now. We can let the customer know and we'll go from there. Oh, look at this. I just noticed this. When somebody did the transmission, instead of taking the Y pipe out, they cut it off and then welded it back together. Come on. You can't get those bolts out? I've never had a problem taking them out. Yeah, somebody actually cut these off of here to do this. And it doesn't look like somebody cut the cats. Although it looks like somebody cut this cat here, but not this side. So, but I'd be willing to bet. Yeah, I'd be willing to bet that that's what they did. They cut this pipe out to get the transmission out. I've seen hacks do that in the past. But anyway, so that's it. At least we know where the noise is coming from. All right, guys, if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.